Student loans can be a heavy burden on many individuals, and paying them off can feel like a never-ending journey.
But there are ways to speed up the process and pay off your student loans faster. The first step is to calculate how much you owe and the interest rate on each loan. Next, make a plan to pay off your loans by either increasing your monthly payments or making extra payments when possible. Another option is to use a credit card with a 0% interest rate to pay off your student loans faster. Be sure to pay off the balance before the interest rate increases. You can also save money by cutting back on unnecessary expenses and putting the money you save towards your loans. Finally, consider refinancing your loans to get a lower interest rate, which can save you money over time. By taking these steps, you can pay off your student loans faster and get closer to financial freedom.